A sprig through time. Rosemary's aromatic history. Rosemary. The name conjures up images of fragrant gardens and flavorful dishes. This woody herb, with its needle-like leaves and delicate blue flowers, has been cherished for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans revered rosemary. They believed it strengthened memory. Linked to love and fidelity, it adorned wedding ceremonies. Throughout the Middle Ages, rosemary graced kitchens and gardens. It was a staple in traditional medicine. Today, rosemary remains a beloved herb, enjoyed in culinary creations worldwide. Modern science confirms its health benefits. Let's explore the remarkable benefits of this timeless herb. Rosemary to remember, boosting brain power and focus. Rosemary is perhaps best known for its purported cognitive benefits, and emerging research suggests that this age-old wisdom holds true. Compounds in rosemary, particularly carnosic acid, appear to have neuroprotective effects. Studies have shown that rosemary essential oil can improve memory recall and alertness. Inhaling the aroma of rosemary essential oil may enhance cognitive performance. This is especially true for tasks requiring focus and concentration. Rosemary may also play a role in protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Research suggests that rosemary may help to inhibit the formation of amyloid plaques in the brain. These plaques are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed, these findings are promising. They suggest that rosemary could be a valuable ally in supporting brain health throughout life. Antioxidant powerhouse. Fighting free radicals with rosemary. Rosemary is an exceptional source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules. They are generated by normal metabolic processes. But their formation is accelerated by factors like pollution, stress, and an unhealthy diet. When free radicals outnumber our body's natural defenses, they can lead to oxidative stress. This process is implicated in aging and various chronic diseases. Antioxidants like those found in rosemary act as free radical scavengers. They neutralize these harmful molecules, preventing them from causing cellular damage. This antioxidant activity is thought to contribute to rosemary's wide range of health benefits. Section 4. Vitamins and minerals. Nature's pharmacy in a sprig. Rosemary is not only rich in antioxidants, but it also boasts an impressive profile of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall health and well-being. One standout nutrient is vitamin C. This potent antioxidant plays a vital role in immune function, collagen production, and wound healing. Rosemary is also a good source of iron, which is essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Additionally, rosemary contains calcium, which is crucial for bone health, and manganese, which supports enzyme function and antioxidant defenses. This rich nutrient profile makes rosemary a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Section 5. Rosemary in your kitchen. From garden to plate. Incorporating rosemary into your daily life is both easy and enjoyable. This versatile herb lends its unique flavor to a wide variety of dishes. Rosemary's robust aroma and slightly piney flavor pair well with savory dishes. Sprinkle fresh or dried rosemary on roasted vegetables, like potatoes, carrots, and squash, to enhance their natural sweetness. Add a sprig of rosemary to soups, stews, and sauces for an extra layer of depth and complexity. Rosemary is also a wonderful addition to marinades for meat, poultry, and fish. Its aromatic oils infuse the protein, imparting a delicious flavor. Beyond savory dishes, rosemary can also add a unique twist to beverages. Steep a sprig of rosemary in hot water for a fragrant and refreshing tea. Or muddle rosemary with citrus fruits and herbs for a flavorful infused water. Section 6. Rosemary with care. Potential side effects and precautions. While rosemary is generally safe, be mindful of potential side effects. Large amounts, especially essential oil, can cause digestive upset. Start with small amounts and increase gradually. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use caution. Consult your healthcare provider before using rosemary medicinally. Use rosemary in moderation to enjoy its benefits safely. In conclusion, rosemary is a true gift from nature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning about rosemary and its amazing benefits, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more herb-filled goodness, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to use rosemary? See you next time.